I'm 10, your host, obviously. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. As you can see by the title of this video, you can clearly see it's yet another unboxing. This one I'm actually excited by because it's the second one in the Dungeon in a Box series that I've done. As you recall from the last one, it had awesome maps involving ships and somehow a hermit crab the size of a dragon skull. Um, I actually don't know what's in this box, so let's bring it forward and take a look at the contents. As you can see, Dungeon in a Box, and it's pretty much the same treasure chest that was from last ones. I love the attention to detail they have on these. Even the fake metal bits look varnished. So let's open it up and see what we have. Okay, we're gonna start off with Bardic Desperado, playing of all critical hits. D&D. This is hi, we thought you'd like this free print. Want it in a larger size? Go to our new site, MarylandSociety.com. Use code DIABUB20 for 20% off. Oh! So this is a print. Oh, that's cool. Let's see if I can get the whole thing in there. Oh, that's really awesome. I like the dragons. So we got a free printout. We got Dungeon in a Box, Roar of the Blazing Isles. So this is a sequel to the first one. Some kind of flaming... Ooh, a flaming wolf! Nice! My favorite animal! Ravens are my second, just so people know. Let's see. Crew sailing checks. Perception. Oops. Iron Chain Link Acolyte. People want to get a monster. I don't think you can see everything. Okay. And that's what she looks like. Some kind of drow. Or far elf. Let's see if there's any other monster. Oh! There it is. It is a magma wolf. Ooh. Here are the stats. Alright. So, it's got Roar of the Blazing Isles Voyage Book, number 2. Tidal Pool and Lava Chamber Encounter Maps. Exclusive Skinny Mini characters and monster tokens. Durable 3D terrain tiles. 2 or more of the 32mm scale miniatures. And special legacy cards and stickers that shape your character's fates. Alright, let's take a look at the figurines. Let's re-angle my light. That's gotta be the Magma Wolf. Yes, it is. Oh, that is so beautiful. Ooh. Take a look at what it looks like. Oh, that is so cool. That's going to be fun to paint. Okay, what else do we have? We have some kind of Title Knight. Is that a stingray on this guy? Or turtle shell? Looks like some kind of like cross between a stingray and a horseshoe crab. Oh, that's actually really cool though. Almost reminds me of facehugger tails. Alright, what else is in the box? More stickers. This one is the Fragment of Natural Harmony. A character with this compass can take an action to detect poison and disease or locate animals or plants at will. Unlike the spell, an action each round to maintain the effects. Oh, more of the legacy stuff for that compass from last time. And then for the ship, Steam Spirit housing must be an upgrade for the ship. And Sea Urchin tank. I did an experiment once in college with sea urchins. It's actually really cool. Let's see, we got Spirit of Elemental Steam. Let's see. The experiment was involving fertilization of the eggs. We actually had to view the actual cycle that they do and record it. This was for developmental biology. I think it's a water gas, water air, maybe? I don't know. Well, steam is boiled water, so it's probably both. Let's see. Infernus Urchin Pool. Infernus Urchin Pool. Pink Infernus sea urchins to remain healthy and reproduce. Sea urchins, armor class 5. Cool. Actually, I like sea urchins. They're pretty cool. More bases. This time you have 10 small ones and 2 large ones. Maybe they actually heard the complaints. Let's see what we have here. We have what looks... let's flip it around. What looks to be a roper. Woodsman. The Title Knight guy. I think that's the chain. Iron chain acolyte. Dude with a horn. Those look like magma bats, maybe? I have no idea what the heck that is. Evil stalagmite or something like that? No, stalactite. Yeah, that's a stalactite. evil one of some sort. There's your magma wolf. That's what it looks like it would be colored. That is so beautiful. That eye thing. I know it's related to a beholder. I can't think of the name of it. Eye demon, eye god, or something like that. And I have no idea what that is. And that must be the steam elemental. I don't know, but these things are really cool. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. So I have enough space for these two. But I have 11 small ones and only 10 bases. So, again, they shortchanged me. 2 things left. Sorry. These are the terrains. I still haven't built the other ones yet. I'm just keeping them around so that when I do get a chance to, they'll be usable. But I just don't want to build them right now because, one, I don't have the space for them right now, unfortunately. The other reason why is I'm actually afraid that if my kids find them, they'll play with them and break them on me. I still don't have a complete and total dedicated area to keeping my D&D stuff. I'm going to toss that back in there. These things are really, really cool. Yeah, no, I have all my D&D stuff in like a cabinet in the living room right now. And for the most part, my kids do not touch it, but I have a 1-year-old and she's starting to get into everything. So I have to keep everything important to me under lock and key. We're going to take a look at the maps in 1 second. I just want to throw everything back into the box so that I can... Oh, that tail's very fragile. I can rearrange everything so we can take a look at what's on the map. I have to say that these maps are absolutely stunning. And they're pretty thick too, so I'm not as afraid of these getting damaged. Alrighty. I don't know what's... Is that everything, or does it unfold more? No, that looks like it's it. Alright. So we're going to look at this side first. It looks to be some kind of river with magma dunes or something like that. Magma flows. But that detail, that is so spot on. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can use these maps for more than just what's the described adventure in them. Gotta be creative, but if you're a good DM, you are more than creative. That's just gorgeous. Alright, now let's take a look at the next one. The other side, at least. This is the magma one. There's the magma chamber. That almost looks like it will actually like burn if you touch it. There's caves, walkways. Some place like this looks like a fire genasi, sorry, would be at home at, or even an Azer. Salamander maybe? Or even at like a half red dragon, half gold dragon. That is... Oh, that's so cool. So the first one, let me take a look at the book again. The first side was the tidal pool map, and this side that I just showed was the lava chamber. So I'm taking on this adventure. Fire is the element of choice here. Fire and water. These things, they're just so beautiful. Well, that was Dungeon in a Box. I have to say, I am quite pleasantly pleased with this one. I did like the giant hermit crab, but oh man, this one takes the cake. Like, I absolutely love wolves. I absolutely love fire-based things, and this is perfect. A Magna wolf. It's funny because I actually used to have a account named Lobo Fuego, which means fire wolf in Spanish. So it's not like a sudden, oh, I'm interested in this now. No, it's I've always loved wolves and loved fire as my favorite element. This is beautiful. Wow. Just it looks like it's on fire. I don't know if I'm going to be able to paint it well enough to please myself, though. Anyways, enough drooling over that figurine. Um, I hope you're as pleasantly surprised by this as I am. That was Dungeon in a Box. I will try and link their page below in the description so you can check it out for yourself. I unfortunately am not sponsored by them, though I would love to have one, but need viewers for that. So if this is your first time viewing, please like and subscribe. If not, please like and comment. And until then, we'll see you later. Have a great day.